Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, you are going to learn how to fix Wyze Floodlight camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. Now, the Wyze Floodlight camera connects using the QR code, and timing is also very important. So in the very first fix, you need to make sure that your camera is in the setup mode before even showing the QR code. You can just simply hold your phone steady, increase its brightness, and then you can keep a proper distance. If the camera doesn't confirm the scan, the setup will fail before Wi-Fi even starts. So if in your case the QR pairing works but connection still fails, then you can try our second fix. In it, you just have to first of all check the network security and compatibility. Wyze cameras require the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with standard securities like WPA2. So if your router is using the advanced settings like WPA3 or mixed encryption, the connection is going to fail. So you need to switch to a basic 2.4 GHz network and then you need to try again. Now the floodlight cameras depends on the stable wired power. If the voltage fluctuates or wiring is loose, the camera may fail to connect or restart during the setup. So in order to fix it, you need to make sure that the wiring is secure and the camera stays powered continuously. Now some routers block the new devices automatically. So make sure that you disable these features like AP isolation, device limit and smart filtering during the setup. Also avoid connecting through the guest networks. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.